What is natural is what is right and what is healthy. Yet, most say not, or say it is not. You have not been taught, but you know it. So it is, you will be taught what you know, and by such you will know more of yourself. It is this very knowledge which will change the world in every way possible. Welcome to the unknown book for all of life. A detailed philosophical text to restore all of humanity, from your nature to the nature of the world. You will learn about laws, morality, growth, learning, problems, freedom, experimentation, facts, effects, professions, currency, religion, health, diet, medicine, principles, attraction, intelligence, powers, change, leadership, order, and much more. The purpose of this book, Sapientia Naturae, translated from Latin as the wisdom of nature, is to provide a detailed teaching all about the world we live in, for a greatly expansive worldview that can apply in any field dedicated to human fulfillment. This book also provides a blueprint to action in optimizing the human destiny, with showing a number of signs and warnings for all of humanity to recognize in remaining human of their nature to not destroy themselves and their environments, as well as how humans can learn from those environments to fulfill their needs. Therefore, this book is dedicated in creating an optimal and sustainable future for humanity. Nature is the answer, the only hope for humanity. Sapientia Naturae.